Ever wondered what it would be like to pack up your life and hit the open road in an RV, especially with a teenager on board? The idea might seem daunting, yet incredibly intriguing. Living life on the move, experiencing new places and faces, coupled with the unique challenges and rewards of teenage years, all wrapped up in the compact world of an RV. In our story today, we'll dive into one family's journey of navigating the open road and the teenage years, all within the confines of an RV. Meet the Johnson family, Mark, Lisa, and their 15-year-old son, Jake. A family not too different from any other. The Johnsons had a typical suburban life with a house, a yard, and a daily commute. Yet they yearned for something different, something more. Craving a life less ordinary, they decided to trade their brick-and-mortar existence for a life on the road in an RV. Mark, a freelance writer, saw it as an opportunity to draw inspiration from the vast landscapes of America. Lisa, a homeschooling mom, was excited about the real-world experiences this lifestyle could offer Jake. And Jake, well, he was just thrilled about the prospect of endless adventures. They sold their house, downsized their belongings, and prepared themselves mentally and physically for their new journey. And so, with a mixture of excitement and apprehension, the Johnsons embarked on their RV adventure. Life on the road was not without its challenges, but it also offered unexpected rewards. Now, let's delve into the roller coaster ride that the Johnsons embarked on when they decided to swap their suburban home for a life on wheels. The first challenge that loomed large was the limited space. Gone were the days of sprawling living rooms and spacious bedrooms. Instead, they found themselves navigating a compact world where every square foot mattered. Privacy, too, took on a whole new meaning. There were no doors to slam in frustration or secluded corners to retreat to. This was particularly hard for their teenage son, Jake, who was used to his own space and privacy. However, as they say, necessity is the mother of invention. The Johnsons found ways to adapt, creating makeshift partitions, designating personal zones, and most importantly, learning to respect each other's boundaries. Jake, initially reluctant, gradually found his footing and began to adapt to this new way of life. The challenges were many, but so were the rewards. The tight quarters forced the Johnsons to spend more time together, strengthening their family bonds. They ate together, played board games, and even started a tradition of nightly storytelling, something they never had time for in their previous life. Moreover, the joy of exploration was an exciting benefit. Every day brought a new landscape, a new community, a new adventure. The family had the opportunity to learn and grow together, visiting historical landmarks, exploring nature, and meeting diverse people from different walks of life. What was most rewarding, however, was Jake's growth and maturity. The exposure to varied experiences and the need to adapt to constant change made him resilient, flexible, and more understanding. He learned to appreciate the simple things in life and found joy in experiences rather than material possessions. In spite of the difficulties, the Johnsons discovered that their unique lifestyle brought them closer together and offered an enriching experience for Jake. And who knows, perhaps for them, home isn't a place after all. Maybe, just maybe, home is where you park it. So what can we learn from the Johnsons' experience of RV living with a teenager? Well, for starters, their adventure has underscored the importance of open communication. When you're sharing a smaller space, the need for dialogue is amplified. Discussing needs, carving out individual spaces, and regularly checking in on each other's emotions are crucial to maintaining harmony. They've also highlighted the significance of flexibility. Life on the road can be unpredictable, and plans can change at a moment's notice. The Johnsons have shown us how this unpredictability can be embraced rather than feared. fostering resilience and adaptability in their teenage son. Patience, too, is a virtue that the Johnsons have found to be indispensable. Living in an RV presents unique challenges, and tackling them requires a calm and composed mindset. It's about taking one day at a time and remembering to breathe when things get tough. But the Johnson story isn't just about survival, it's about the value of shared experiences and the potential for personal growth. Their journey has brought them closer together as a family and provided their son with a wealth of experiences that have aided his development. From learning practical skills like cooking and maintenance to gaining a broader understanding of the world around him, RV living has been an invaluable part of his coming-of-age journey. Every family's journey is unique, but perhaps the Johnson story can inspire or guide those considering a similar path.